Hi, I am Vikram Romana, and I have been in IT for a long time, and that's pretty much it, and I love IT. I have a MBA degree in marketing. Prior to my IT journey, I did my MBA in marketing, but after that I graduated and I updated myself in IT skills. So right now I have my MCSA, MCSC, SCCM, VMware certifications, and constantly I am upgrading myself with the latest certifications available in the market. I have a couple of my good friends who referred me to NetSoft, and they spoke very high of this institute. I did a little bit of research and I found it to be really good. Well, it depends on my requirements, and I just see what the industry standards are, and I'm doing advanced courses with NetSoft. Well, I would say the courses have been very thoroughly researched before they are brought out of the oven. Proper research is done, and a proper practical lab experience is put into the courses, and then they are delivered onto the students with the thorough research of everything. Other institutes and colleges, they just rely on delivering the courses, they are based more on the theoretical stuff, but NetSoft is heavily focused on building your practical skill set, building more hands-on and labs. So that is what it sets it apart from other institutes, that it gives you more practical experience and training. I have been to many institutes prior to coming to NetSoft, and what I have found in the instructors here is they give individual attention to every student. In case you're lacking in certain skills, they will give you individual attention, and they'll make sure you come up to the industry standards. The courses at NetSoft, they are not very easy. I would say they are comprehensive and intensive. If you look at the expectations which this institute has from you, and you have to do a lot of practical stuff so that you can meet those standards. So I would say they are really intensive, and they give you a full dollar value of the amount which you are spending on the courses here. The instructors will give you real life scenarios on which you are gonna be doing your troubleshooting and trying to resolve those issues. So every now and then you are gonna be challenged during the when you will be taking these courses. So there you will be coming across challenges every now and then, and you will be building up your good troubleshooting skills with the advanced IT knowledge. If we talk about pros and cons, pro is it builds very strong practical knowledge, and you build very strong troubleshooting skills, and it imparts the latest courses available, the latest technologies available in the industry. As far as the cons are concerned, I don't think there is any con over here. It's all good. I know a couple of my friends who graduated from NetSoft, and they are doing really well in life, and every second day I hear about other colleagues of mine who have already graduated from here, and everybody is doing good. Every now and then we hear of good success stories, and it builds your motivation, and it encourages you to put extra effort in your courses and the stuff so that you can be successful. Well, there's no set standard of the hours which are demanded by the courses or by your instructors. It depends on the requirements. Certain weeks you might have to shed some extra hard work, and in some other weeks it can be light also. So it varies on the requirements of that particular week. NetSoft holds your hand till the very end, till you land yourself the job which you are targeting for, or the technology which you are aiming for, and we are provided extensive support in meeting our objectives. I was a good IT technician earlier also, but the technology is changing day by day, and you have to update and upgrade yourself in the skills. So I have learned advanced SCCM skills, advanced VMware skills, and Citrix also. I have learned really cool technologies in the latest versions available with Citrix. So I'm very happy with the technologies which I have updated myself with at NetSoft. Updated myself in a couple of courses, but Citrix has been a very good course. Like the course content was delivered very fine, and I had Citrix knowledge prior, but I wanted to update myself with the latest skills, which I did, and I liked Citrix. I liked advanced VMware and advanced SCCM courses also, so I liked these 2-3 courses. NetSoft relies more on practical, hands-on, and building up your strong troubleshooting skills. So I would definitely recommend NetSoft rather than other colleges, IT colleges. This message is intended for those who want to update their IT skills, or they want to learn the latest technologies available in the market. NetSoft is definitely one of the best choices, which I would recommend to everybody for updating yourself with the latest IT technologies.